Hello, everybody. So, here we are going to discuss the VBG Ramji bill, which has been introduced in the parliament. And now we will take a look on what are the major key points on this bill. So, the Viksit Bharat G Ramji bill 2025 replaces Manrega with a new statutory framework aligned with Viksit Bharat 2047. The employment guarantee is enhanced to 125 days per rural household, strengthening income security. Link wage employment with durable rural infrastructure across 4 priority areas. Strengthens decentralized planning through Viksit Gram Panchayat plans and nationally integrated through Viksit Bharat National Rural Infrastructure Stack. The shift to normative funding and the centrally sponsored structures improve predictability, accountability, and the center-state partnership. Rural employment has been a cornerstone of India's social protection framework for nearly 2 decades. Since its enactment in 2005, the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act Manrega played a key role in providing wage employment, stabilizing rural incomes, and creating basic infrastructure. Over time, however, the structure and objectives of rural India have evolved significantly. Rising incomes, expanded connectivity, widespread digital penetration, and diversified livelihoods have altered the nature of rural employment needs. Against this backdrop, the government has proposed the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin Bill 2025, also referred to as Viksit Bharat G Ramji Bill 2025. The bill represents a comprehensive statutory overhaul of Manrega, aligning rural employment with long-term vision of Viksit Bharat 2047, while strengthening accountability, infrastructure outcomes, and income security. Viksit Bharat G Ramji Bill 2025 replaces Manrega, a modern rural employment framework aligned with Viksit Bharat 2047, enhanced employment guarantee 125 days of wage employment per rural household, focused nature of works, 4 priority areas covering water security, rural infrastructure, livelihood infrastructure, and climate resilience. Local planning with national integration, Viksit Gram Panchayat plans linked with national spatial platforms. Support to agriculture, pause in work for aggregate 60 days during peak sowing and harvesting seasons. Predictable funding framework, shift to normative funding with protected employment guarantee. Strong transparency and oversight, AI-based monitoring, real-time dashboards, and mandatory social audits. Centrally sponsored structured shared center-state responsibility with calibrated cost sharing.